Hi everyone. In this video, as promised, I'll be demonstrating the LockBit Ransomware in a controlled sandbox environment. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Watch as I walk you through how the ransomware encrypts files and then use the decryptor to recover them. Stay tuned for a step-by-step demo of the ransomware in action. Alright, so here's a list of files that I generated in the last video using the LockBit 3.0 Ransomware Builder. So we have the 5 encryptors, the decryptor, decryption ID, 2 password files, and the public and private keys. Now, when we execute LockBit ransomware in this sandbox, here is what happens. First, files are encrypted with extensions changed into something random like LockBit or a random string. Next, a ransom note appears in folders and sometimes on the desktop with payment instructions. Also, the wallpaper of this device will change to a warning message from the group. Next, security and backup services are terminated. And finally, restore points and shadow copies are deleted to lock recovery. So, let us execute the ransomware now and see it in action. So now I will run the executable file as the administrator. So, as you can see, the desktop wallpaper has been changed, signaling that the system is infected with the LockBit 3.0 ransomware. Now, let us dive into a few directories to examine the ransomware's activity and check out the files that have been encrypted. Now, as you can see, some files in this directory are encrypted. Let us try opening one of these files to see what happens. As you can see, I'm unable to read the content of this file. Now, let's check another file. As you can see again, the information in this file is encrypted. Now, at this point, you may wonder why the ransomware didn't encrypt the decryptor or some of the other files generated by the ransomware builder. In my last video, I showed the config.json file where certain file types like exe are whitelisted and skipped over during encryption. Moving to another folder, here again you can see that some of the files in this folder are encrypted. As you can see, I'm unable to read the content of this file. This is because it is encrypted. So let us explore some other folders on the computer to see how widespread the encryption is. Now, one of the things that you'll notice is that a ransom note has been placed in every folder. Also, you can see here that the LockBit Builder zip file has been encrypted. This is the proof. Now, let us run the decryption tool and attempt to recover the encrypted files. I will go ahead and click decrypt all encrypted files. As you can see, the decryption process was successful, recovering 206 files. I guess you also noticed how fast the decryption process was. LockBit is known for its speed in encryption and decryption. Now, let us confirm the files were decrypted by exploring a few directories. As you can see, the files now have their normal extensions. Also, the ransom notes are gone. Now you can see the information in this file. And finally, the desktop wallpaper has been restored. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, if you would like to see me explore the Yashma Ransomware Builder in detail, let me know in the comments below. Remember to always use your skills responsibly. See you in the next one.